Here's a more complicated empirical formula question, but it works exactly the same way as a normal empirical formula question. So our compound contains 79% calcium sulfate, which I'm going to write at the top as I normally would, but it also contains some water, and we want to find out how much of this, X, is water. Now already they've told me that I have 79% CaSO4 as it says in the question. My first step, and actually the first mark in this question, is to work out how much percentage of water I have. So 100 minus 79 would give me 21% water. Now, that's not particularly useful when I need to work out the moles later on. So let's assume I have 100 grams of this compound, and I'm going to turn this into 79 grams. I'm going to do the same here, turn this into 21 grams. That will be much easier to work out the number of moles in the next steps. So to work out the number of moles, I could do 79 grams divided by the molar mass of calcium sulfate, which is 136. That can be worked out from the periodic table, from the atomic masses. 136 grams per mole. And if I tap that into a calculator, it gives me 0.58 moles. I'll do the same for water. I'll do my 21 grams divided by the molar mass of water, which again is 18 calculated from the periodic table. And 21 divided by 18 gives me 1.17. Now, I need to find the smallest number of moles, and that's actually 0.58 in this question. So 0.58 is what we're going to divide by in both cases. It gives me 1, so that means I have one lot of calcium sulfate. And if I do 1.17 divided by 0.58, that gives me 2. So I have 2 waters per 1 calcium sulfate. That means that my overall formula will actually be CaSO4 and 2 H2O. Therefore, X is equal to 2 in this question.